Hey guys, this is me again, Tariq Wakar, with a new video, and the topic of today's video is how to create a YouTube channel. What's great about YouTube is that it's a platform where you can have your own voice and create a community through your videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how easy it is to become a creator on YouTube. So let's get started. The first basic step is to sign in to YouTube using your Google account. I'll click on sign in. My internet is a bit weak, so I'll click on any email address I want to use. I'll click on this one, so I'll click on next. When you are signed in, for creating a YouTube channel, you will click, I'll wait for it, sorry. So when we are signed in for creating a YouTube channel, we'll go to the settings here. So here we'll click on, I've already created more than one channel on this ID. So here you will have an option to, there will be written that create a new channel. Here the option for me is see all my channels or create a new channel. Click on it. If I want to create a new channel, click on create a new channel. It will probably take me to the branded channel, where you can put whatever name you like to use. For example, I like to use rotten potatoes. So click on create. So what good about branded account is that allow you to pick a specific name and let multiple people access your channel as manager, which is quite cool when you eventually have people helping you out with your channel. And guys, this is how a channel is created, a YouTube channel is created, and that is the first step of getting started on YouTube. I'll shortly be uploading the next video of this series about how your channel can take off and how can you make actual money on YouTube. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly please subscribe and give us a like. Till next time, bye.